children, today we are going to talk about pets. Children, do you have pets at home? Do you love to keep up pets? Okay children, you see some pet animal, dog, puppy, cat, kitten, birds like parrot, goldfish, rabbit, goat, etc. These are the pet animals. Okay children, we will see about the pets. What is a pet? A pet is an animal or bird that we have kept in our home for pleasure and take care of it. Okay children, what do you do with your pet? You often enjoy with your pet. We like to keep a pet. We like to play with our pet. We like to feed our pet. We like to name for our pet. We like to clean our pet once in a week. Next, we love to give name for our pet. We like to take our pet for a walk. We like to clean our pet once in a week. Okay children, now we'll see the lesson name. What is the lesson name? My pet. My pet. M-Y-My-P-T, pet. My pet. You see this picture children. Who is she? She is Valli. What is this? This is goat. Valli is introducing herself. See this sentence. My name is Valli. This is my pet, Chittu. Do you have a pet? Valli is introducing herself. Again we will see one by one. See here, M-Y-My, N-A-M name, I-S is, V-A-L-L-I, Valli. My name is Valli. T-H-I-S this, I-S is, M-Y-My, P-T, pet. This is my pet, C-H-I-T-T-U, Chittu. This is my pet, Chittu. D-O-Do, Y-O-U-U, H-A-V-E have, a P-T, pet. Do you have a pet? Children, Valli is asking to you, do you have pet animal? Wow! What is your pet animal name? Dog. Okay, superb, excellent. Okay, what is the name of your pet animal? You see, Valli's pet name is Chittu. Likewise, what is your name of your pet? Johnny. Very good, super. Johnny. Okay, excellent. Very good, superb children. Okay children, next we will see the poem. Hello song, poem. Listen this video and enjoy. Listen this hello song video and enjoy.
How about you?
we meet someone new, we have to wish them and say hello and good morning. Okay, children. Next, on my way. O-N on, M-Y, W-A-Y, way. On my way. Already we have seen Valli and Chittu. Now we will see the new person. Who is she? She is Mullai. What is this? This is goat. That is a Mullai's pet animal. That Mullai's pet animal name was Sweetie. Both of them walking on the road. When Mullai and her pet Sweetie were going on the way to their school. Both of them going on the way to school. Both of them met many important person. On the way, she met many person and introducing themselves to them. Both of them introducing themselves and to them. We will see which person she met there. First one, Mullai met a flower, Daisy. See this word, hi, you are pretty. Mullai asked, what is your name? Daisy replied, I am Daisy. Mullai asked flower, the Daisy replied, I am Daisy. Next, the goat, hi Daisy, my name is Sweetie. Sweetie also introducing itself. Mullai made flower Daisy. Daisy replied, I am. The flower replied, I am Daisy. Flower replied, I am Daisy. On the way, they were seeing butterfly and they expressed their beautiful color of the butterfly. How is the butterfly? The butterfly was very colorful and very beautiful. And Mullai introduced herself. I am Mullai. What is your name? The insects replied, I am butterfly. The butterfly replied, I am butterfly. The insects replied, I am butterfly. Hey, you are so colorful. The Sweetie said, hey, you are colorful. And they walked some time. They were seeing one big mango tree. Both of them seeing a big mango tree. That time also, both of them introducing themselves. First, Mullai introducing herself and Sweetie also introducing themselves. At the time, they are asking, what is your name? Mullai asking, what is your name? How? A beautiful tree. Look at this. It is a big. Mullai asked, what is your name? The tree replied, I am mango tree. The tree replied, I am mango tree. And they were walked some time and they were seeing big mango tree and they were introducing themselves and they are asking the tree's name. At the time, tree replied, I am a mango tree. Finally, they met two cats. And they asked their name. Likewise, they met two cats and asked for their name. Likewise, let's start learning about things that comes across every day. And we will create to them. So students, you must always learn something to introducing yourself, and somebody is come to your home, you want to follow that is good things to follow. So students, you must always learn something to introducing yourself, and somebody's come to our home, that is the good things to follow, that is in your childhood days. Okay children, from this lesson I say some vocabularies. Pet, noun, a domestic or tamed animal kept for companionship or pleasure. Loud, adjective, noise. Quietly, adverb, calm, peace. Way, noun, a road. Pretty, adjective, beautiful or attractive. Cuties, from this lesson I will give some singletons. What will come in this place you say? What is this P? What will come here? P-E-T, pet. What spelling pet? P-E-T, pet. Next, C-H-I, Chittu. 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 Goat name was Chittu. P-R-E-T. What will come here? T. P-R-E-T-T-Y. Pretty. Next, S-W-E-E-T-Y. Sweetie. S-W-E-E-T-Y. Sweetie. Next, D-A-I-S-Y. Daisy. D-A-I-S-Y. Daisy. Next, C-O-L-O-U-R-F-U-L. Colorful. Next, M-A-N-G-O. Mango. B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y. Butterfly. Next, V-A-L-L-I. Valli. Next, B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Beautiful. Next, I am going to teach now jumbled letters. Jumbled letters. I will give some words that you arrange and say. You say T-E-P. What will come? You say very good. P-E-T. Pet. P-E-T. Pet. Super. Next, Y-A-W. What will come? W-A-Y. Way. Super. Next, P-R-E-T-T-P. What will come here? P-R-E-T-T-Y. Pretty. Next, A-V-L-L-I. V-A-L-L-I. Valli. Next, M-A-N-G-O. Mango. You enjoy this jumbled letter chalam? Okay, excellent, super. Children, I will give some questions. You should write your note. You should write your note in your home. Listen, children. Answer the following questions. Name some pet animals. Name some pet animal. Dog, cat, puppy, rabbit, parrot, goat. These are the pet animals. Okay, children. What is the name of your goat? Chittu is the name of your goat. What is the name of your goat? Chittu is the name of your goat. What is the name of your mullet's pet? Sweetie. The name of the mullet's pet is Sweetie. Children, we discussed about now pet animal. Next, Valli's pet animal. Hello song poem. And next, on the way. This all the topic we are discussed now. Okay, children. We will meet next class. Thank you, children.